friends, welcome back to Learn with Ansh. My name is Ansh and in this video we are going to be discussing about multiplication and division of integers. So let's get started. If you haven't watched my previous videos on integers, do check them out before watching this one. So let's discuss about the rule we learned in our previous videos. So we have gone through this rule multiple times, and if you are not familiar with it, I recommend you check out my previous videos again before watching this one. So this time we are going to be using this rule a little bit differently. So first let's discuss how do we multiply integers. So if both the numbers are positive like this one, how do we multiply? Now this is very simple. So all you have to do is multiply them normally, that's it. And we'll get the answer 20. So if both the numbers are negative, how do we multiply? So here we have an example, -2 multiplied by -11. Now here's where our rule comes in. So when we have same sign, we'll put the plus sign. So over here, we have -2 and -11. It's the same sign. So we'll put the positive sign in our answer. So when we multiply 2 and 11, whatever answer we'll get, it should be in positive form. So we'll get the answer 22, and this is our answer for this question. So if first number is negative and the second number is positive, how do we multiply? So here's an example, -21 into 15. Now we have different signs, and our rule says if we have different signs, we put a minus sign. So when we multiply 21 and 15, we'll get 315, and we have to put a minus sign in front of it. So we'll get -315 or -315. Now if it's the other way around, first number positive and second number negative. So here we have an example, 35 multiplied by -13. Now when we multiply these both, we'll get the answer 455. But we have different signs, and our rule says if we have different signs, then we put a minus sign. So we'll put a minus sign in front of 455 and we'll get the answer as -455. Now let's discuss how do we divide numbers. So if both the numbers are positive, like this example right here, we divide them normally. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and that's our answer. If both the numbers are negative, what do we do? So here we have -33 divided by -11. Now we have same sign, so we put a positive sign in front of our answer. Now when we divide 33 and 11, we get 3. So when we put a positive sign in front of 3, we'll get +3. Or we can ignore the positive sign and keep 3. So if we have first number negative and second number positive, what do we do? So -30 divided by +15 is our example. So now we have different signs, so our answer should be negative. 90 divided by 15 is 6. And since our answer is supposed to be negative, we'll put a negative sign in front of it. So we'll get -6. So far so good. Let's discuss about the last case in division. First number positive and second number negative. What do we do here? So we have an example, 84 divided by -7. Now again we have different sign, so our answer will be negative. 84 divided by 7 is 12, and since our answer is supposed to be negative, the answer will be -12. And that's it for today's video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Keep practicing and goodbye.